Is a picture really worth 1,000 words? Not anymore. That saying was introduced way back in 1927, over 60 years before the internet became a thing. These days, a picture is often worth much more and can bring in hundreds or thousands of dollars to your online campaigns. In a world of info overload and super short attention spans, pictures are what stop people as they race through their social feeds. They're what get the click on your ads and offers, and can easily position you as a trusted leader in your niche. Whether you're sharing content to build your brand, selling products or services on social media and your websites, or anything in between, pictures and graphics are the most direct route to profits. Let's prove it. Quick, think of Coca-Cola, or McDonald's, or Rolls-Royce. First thing that comes to your mind? An image of a logo, product, or maybe even a slogan. Not a lengthy message. Simply put, pictures sell. That's why as marketers, we spend ridiculous amounts of time and money to get the right graphics made for our campaigns. Sometimes we invest in complicated software with steep learning curves, or hire expensive graphic artists for one picture at a time. Maybe we'll even risk grabbing pictures off the internet and hoping we don't get into trouble for stealing someone else's content. Imagine instead easily creating literally any image for any campaign without knowing a thing about graphic design, without paying crazy fees to experts and hoping they'll deliver on time, and making as many top-converting graphics as you'll ever need without restriction. Welcome to Designa, the first graphics platform built by digital marketers for digital marketers. Designa is the easiest to use graphic creator ever. Choose from over 3,000 professionally designed templates you can effortlessly customize with the drag-and-drop editor. If you can point and click, you have all the technical skills you need to create truly stunning graphics. Templates for virtually any type of campaign at your fingertips. Social media banners, covers, graphics and posts, FB ads, ebook covers, e-tickets and business cards, webinar slides, blog covers, YouTube graphics, memes, launch graphics, even top-converting infographic templates, and your very own t-shirt design builder. For unlimited flexibility, use the blank canvas option for your own fully unique designs and save each as templates for future use. Under one cloud-based dashboard, you'll have instant access to over 7.5 million royalty-free graphic assets, including millions of stock images, icons, fonts, stickers, and much, much more. All searchable by category and keyword. Find what you need fast and never run out of creatives again. As critical as images are, words count too. So Designa includes a quote generator preloaded with over 420,000 viral quotes. Again, searchable by keyword, so you can instantly sync the ideal message to your images. Designa is the first all-inclusive graphics platform to also include a complete ebook generator. Turn any document into a stunning PDF that's perfect as a lead magnet or for your online courses and content marketing. Plus, create professional mock-ups in 2 clicks from over 100 stunning templates, a massive time saver for freelancers and your multi-campaign projects. You can create beautiful desk scenes like a professional. It comes with over 300 items that you can easily move around and create scenes. With Designa, you can create beautiful and high-converting 3D e-covers for your books, reports, CDs, and software. Need a logo for you or your clients? Not to worry. Designa also has you covered with our revolutionary logo creation machine. Customize any element of any graphic in seconds. Upload and edit your own images. Choose from 15 built-in filters for a unique graphic every time. Designa is lightning fast, built on a SaaS platform. 100% cloud-based, so there's nothing to install. No unreliable flash technology. This robust software is all about performance. Advanced editing options to satisfy the most demanding marketers. Easily layer multiple images with drag-and-drop ease. Customize with hand drawings, shapes, icons, stickers. If you can imagine it, you can create it in moments. We invite you to compare Designa to even the closest competition. For your reference, we've included the costs of several alternatives on the page below. You could pay as much as $315 per month for a platform that does much less. Or enjoy unrestricted access to Designa for a single incredibly low one-time fee, but only during this launch. Further below, you'll also see a quick demo showing just how easily you can create graphics on demand, the premium bonuses we're sharing with early action takers, and details of the 30-day money-back guarantee that makes grabbing Designa now an easy decision. Step-by-step training right inside the dash. Ongoing updates included because we use Designa in our own business. World-class support with the click of your mouse. Pictures really are the most direct shortcut to online profits. Check out all the details below to see why Designa is the only and last graphics creator you'll ever need. Then grab your license now to enjoy ongoing access for this exclusive one-time pricing. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside.